Long prize appeal ceremony day national tunggu kita. Kita menjadi ira dan diri.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we shall shortly have the prize distribution ceremony. So requesting the audience to please stay back and also requesting the players to come in the center of the field for the prize distribution. I would like to repeat myself again. That is to request all the players to please come to the middle, the center of the field for the prize distribution. It was a standing match, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that each and every one of you had a lot of fun. Let me just tell you one thing, that the third inter-parish knockout football tournament has begun from the 6th of September, and today is the final day, that is the 16th of September, and we have the winners as well as the runners-up. So ladies and gentlemen, shortly we shall begin with the prize distribution ceremony. So please wait for some time.
All the ICYM of Sajam Parish, please come forward here. Make a circle. Volunteers. Sajam Parish ICYM youths. Make your circles. Round didn't have play of the man by the be a security. All the eyes. ICYM of Sajam Parish.
As now we're going to begin with the prize distribution ceremony. So requesting all the players to please come up here in the center and make a line here so that we will be able to begin with the prize distribution ceremony.
Jaldi jaldi aaho. I request the captain, both the captain, please lead your team here. Team captain and coach, please bring your players in front of the stage.
Dear friends, I have the list of me who is going to win, who will be getting the golden boot, etc. And I have everything with me here. And shortly I'm going to announce it. But let me just tell you one thing, that the winners will be receiving the cash amounting of rupees 50,000 rupees, whereas the runners-up will be receiving the cash amounting of 30,000 rupees.
I request the team captain of Chokiola, please come. Chokiola, Jalo Budi. Sir Kim nang nahal ito si Tamada Prawa yung si Chuniri lo Sir Kim Tiso. Sir Kim Tiso, you are requested to come in front of the stage. Hello record, give me a for one time. Ningwele ako itamla. Prize distribution.
50,000 rupees. The cash prize for the winners has been sponsored by Dr. Janta Pator in the loving memory of late Dr. Cliff Pator. Ladies and gentlemen, the cash amounting of rupees 50,000 is sponsored by the family of late Dr. Cliff Pator, and we are very much thankful to them because it's because of their sponsor we're able to give away the prizes to the winners. So come on, ladies and gentlemen, batay si non andi si penasik ni Richard Epihursina, alang jumlaan aning kini pena 50,000 ang tangka, like di ko po ang tangka, kaling ito mga tangka, alang ito sponsor po. An announcement, a very important announcement, requesting Mr. Francis Hanse to please come on the ground as soon as possible. Once again, I would like to repeat, once again, requesting Mr. Francis Hanse and Mr. Sarkim to please come towards the ground to the center.
Nang lip kanan kiri lang ya. Kam dikit tau. Tinggal salah ya lah. Bang Rai, kayu besar.
Repeat myself again, requesting Mr. Sarkim as well as Mr. Francis Hanse to please come towards the center of the field as soon as possible.
Sakit semua. Belum klaim ni. Kening belu, live ini belum.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have one last felicitation left. That is, I would like to invite Mr. Prolas Milik, Assistant BDO of Chitong Block, to please come forward for the felicitation. Alright, so he's not here, ladies and gentlemen. So now I have the list of names who is going to receive different types of prizes. So are you all excited to know who's going to receive the Golden Glove? Golden Glove, come on, ladies and gentlemen. Any guesses? So are you excited?
Yes!
Shall I come on, one more time? Shall I announce?
Yes!
Alright. So the Golden Glove is received by none other than Mr. Binong Crow. Ladies and gentlemen. And to give away, I would like to call upon Sri Pong Leng, President of KKSA Sochong Parish, to convey the prize to Mr. Binong Crow. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Binong Crow. He's from Chotipala Parish, ladies and gentlemen.
Kami ada. Detri confidence.
Okay, come on. Now I have the next one. That is the Golden Bull. Golden Bull. Excited? Excited? Come on, I want to hear more noises. Come on, one more time. Do you want to hear who's going to win the Golden Bull? That's the spirit. Alright, so let me take this honor and privilege to announce the winner who will be receiving the Golden Bull, and he is none other than Mr. Reverend Selma. And we shall begin by Reverend Father Joseph Teron, SGB, requesting your father to please come forward to give away the prize. So good morning to Golden Boot ke Mr. Reverend Sama alang isi Kilong Polo, alang igi Sagong Parish Band.
Yes! Woo!
Heartiest congratulations to Alright, so now I have the last category. So now I have the last category, and that category is known as the best player, ladies and gentlemen. So do you want to know who has played the best in today's match? Do you want to know? Yes! Let's do it one more time. Do you want to know? Yes! Okay, so let me announce it. And he is none other than
메시 메시 후! 리오넬 메시 후!
So, ladies and gentlemen, the fourth inter-parish knockout football tournament 2024. These are the following persons who have received the award: Golden Glove by Binong Pro, Golden Bull by Reverend Sangma, and Best Player by Amik Sangma. So now it's time for me to announce the first runners-up. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, you know it, right? So please shout it out loud. So who got the first runners-up? Come on, say it.
Already known.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Requesting the Chokia Parish to please come forward to receive away the award. You will be receiving the cash amounting of rupees 30,000 rupees. And also the check. And it shall be given by Sri Ren Singh Timong, Vice Chairman Dokamuka Municipal Board, and Sri Jagadish Rajkhawa, PM ABCC Assam Maladoka Base Camp. Requesting all the players to come forward as we'll also be giving the medals.
All the players will line up.
Requesting all the players to line up. Dolmaritum, it is not an easy task to come up to the finals because they have faced the battle with a lot of teams from several parish. So it is a very huge thing. So come on, ladies and gentlemen, once more, put your hands together. Requesting Mrs. Sri Ren Singh Timong and Sri Jagadish Rajkhawa to give away the prizes, the check amounting of rupees 30,000 rupees. Thank you. All right. Congratulations, the Chokia Parish. Very well played, very well done. We'll see you soon in the next knockout tournament.
No more battery. Chalo. Extra weight.
Okay, so now we have come to the last part, okay? The last part and also the very special part. In this part, the winners are going to receive a very huge amount, and that is 50,000 rupees. So, as you can see, the winners are already ready to receive the prize. So, requesting the football players of Sangam Parish to please come forward and to line up for the prize. So we also have the trophy, and the trophy will be given away by the chief guest of today's event, that is Father John Timong, Vicar General, Diocese of Thimphu. So requesting Father to please come forward to give away the trophy. And the prize, the cash amounting of rupees 50,000 rupees will be given away by Srimati Marina Lengpi, wife of late Dr. Cliff Potter and family. Requesting you, ma'am, and family to please come forward to give away the cash amounting of rupees 50,000 rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also joined by the mother of Dr. Late. Okay, so I would also like to invite the wife of Dr. Janta Pator to give away the prizes. And we also have the mother of late Cliff Pator requesting you, ma'am, and the entire family to please come forward and to give away the prize amounting of rupees 50,000 rupees. Don't worry, itu papan 50,000 rupees sponsor itu. So requesting Father John to give away the trophy to the winners. Don't worry to masing Clip and Richard Epihuta, along with Tumayo, Pinning Ford, Inter-Parish Nangat Football Tournament and Champions League. And the winners are, the champion are Sangkang Parish. And now the cash amounting rupees 50,000 rupees will be given away by Srimati Marina Inglampi, wife of late Dr. Cliff Potter and a family. We are also joined by the mother of Dr. Cliff Potter and also the wife of Janata Potter, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the 50,000 rupees is sponsored by Dr. Janata Potter in the loving memory of late Dr. Cliff Potter. So once again, come on, ladies and gentlemen, बताएं सियासी क्लिप and Richard Epihuta. Thank you so much. It was a very wonderful match. Congratulations to the team and also to all the winners. And I would like to thank all the audience for staying with us since the beginning of the match and to the end. Thank you. I would like to request all the referees to please come to the center. Requesting the referee to please come to the center. Requesting the referees to please come towards the center.
Vô đây. Ơi, Bian à?